Ngut ki riewkhmat kiba kynthup ya ka Jessie Lyngdoh nongthoh sur jingrwai content creator but ka associate producer haka state of mind production u Ferdinand Rani nongthoh Khubor kumjuh u content creator but u Kamki Diengdoh u nongshna film Cinematography and Editor haka Khlietriat Nailur ki leit Khliehriat Higher Secondary School East Jaiñtia Hills District ban iamir jingmut ban Batai bat pynshai haki Samla pule kane ka skul ya ka jingiaid lynti jong haki kam ki bayadai bat kitanat babon jaj haki lat priang Khubor mass media kini langut ki Samla ki la Batai ya ka jingiaid lynti jong hadu bakinda poi shiki kenjang ki bakham hajrong haki kam ki jam bat ka nam ka kerteng ki Samla ki balawan ban shashkor bat sngap ki jing Batai bat jing pynshai jong kini ki langut Shillong ki Samla pule ki padang don mentah hakani ke skul ki khana skul barim bat ki Samla pule na ki we bat ki skul kumshi banta ban rakhi kemen ya kajing dap san posnam golden jubilee jong kani ke skul kajing thmu ki khana skul barim ban penlong ya kani karensan kalong ban hikai bat pynshai haki khana skul ki bakwa ban rung shakalain pule mass media namar kadon bon kilat kamai bala ban emja hadin habot hakani kajing ya kendu la yoru ban kli bat ki jubab haki babon ki jat jingtip ki bayadai bat ka mass media social media ki jing sneu bat ki jing mentoy jongki ki Samla pule ka Khliehriat Higher Secondary School ki la yo shibon ki jing mentoy lengba ki jing pynshai jongki ni ki laingut ki Samla subun mensim hakani kasngi
when you graduate then you can choose which job do you want to take. There's like 1,000 jobs so yeah. Thank you.
Give the round of applause. Yes, so before we end this conversation, thank you. So on the last note I would like to end is that media, the tools of media are very powerful. They can shape lives, at the same time they can also destroy lives. I'm also talking about social media, See, you have a phone and you have a tool in your hand that is very powerful. As you grow up, you'll be exposed to so many things and sometimes negative things. And I would like to leave a cautionary note is that you shouldn't abuse this tool that we have, and you always have to be responsible. What you post online, what videos do you take, what you choose to upload, I think as youth, or what even watch also, I think you have to be careful because, like I said, because it is a very powerful tool, it can really affect life. So I feel that you should be responsible and always, think twice before you have to upload anything or like or share anything. So that's just a comment.
Thank you so much, Kamki. I would also like to add to what Kamki has said. When it comes to social media, it's very important for us to be watchful, to be careful in terms of using it. Few of us here have been victim of cyberbullying in various ways. So, kadang kali borok kami instanku ya kecil koridor ya kecil mam jong kami jong social media social media kasi abang kita jong kami ini maklum hingga lihat dengan careful lihat berusia kerana pendengar tiga orang penduduk kini hakikatnya seorang juri borok in our society right now there is a thin line between media and social media. There are people who uses media as social media, and there are those who uses social media as media. The only thing as a journalist that I can appeal to you is do not lose trust. Do not lose trust in the press fraternity. Do not lose trust. Nani wa judul jing sharia ha ki Khubor ha ki na ha Khubor warna social media kadi logian tam hendrai hendai tandu jishanya halo nani jishanya halo jong ini ki la pakai Khubor kemar kini ibala kemar ini jintip kebab kinsa shisha na betul jongki social media kandor nani kanne ban kashok tam hari kumlo ila pindang kam na kando jingmut Rosini is there, Kamki, Jessie is here. We are more than happy to share with you inputs or to guide you how you should take up or what you should take up maybe after 10 or after 10 plus 2 or in class 12 or even in your degree.
Oi, ini ga jing tu jing ni la ai ngala. Por mi kedua lang jing kong sini jing implement matiki leader jing ni association. Te ngala ai jing tu ngala ai jing mod iki ba kin host ki program ki ba player. Te ngala ai jing mod ya sini kong tiang ba imba I iban na katu ka field joka mass media. Te ngong mapi badai na kan ni na ka jaka balai film organize kum kani ka such program kum kani ban ai jing pynshai jing pen I lat lynti ki knas kiba dan ki Samla kani ka han is Jaiñtia te ma I daga je tracy tom lang ban ni na school ban kamtam kini ki senior teacher ila shimi kini pangalap ba ila le ba hadu kata ila namar ma I dei na ka to ka feel na kani ka stage jung ka mass media inang ban wa de ki resource person yano ban wa yano mano ban long compare mano ban long resource person then tatak daw dapat ye ba Kamki Diengdoh como film producer lalu tu film editor Jessie Lyngdoh one of the famous singer in Meghalaya especially in East Jaiñtia I can feel that most of the students they are her great fan and also good friend uba Ferdinand Rani day way naki YouTuber ulan untuk blog ka ubah ham blog pauna ma hami khalia kham ta maka is Jaiñtia jungi te kan ni ka jing don juki mata ka singi kala ai jing mut sibon mai ke na lengba ngai iba lengba ka jing kali ka ba ki bo meni ha yakin de kite lai ma ka pen I ba ka don kata ka kemensim juki kena lan ka jing sutu ji na ba ka social media lan ka ni ka mass media ka dei ka wai na ki lat ka ban ai kam ki kham tam le menti u guest of honor meni Ukraine ka to ka blue job lani uklem hoja batai sepang kata ka blue job ka I kata ka blue job re ngi snow ngi tip tang kata ka white job lani kata ka government job re ka blue job ka ba kum ka kine ki jong ka Jessie lani jong ba Kamki le jong ba Ferdinand Rani kine ki de blue job ka jong ki te kani la tharai lang bang ni ka program bangi host menta ka singi ka bangi dan menta ka singi le se ki khna jungi kina ki to ki khat pratli ki school bla sim tala bat kham tam ki khna jungi na kani ka school trak la yo kalan kelanti ka jinsung thu ba kani ka de ka wei na ki lat ka ban ai ya ka pliang ja ka jong ki nang ne se man
Hadu lano try kani ka celebration jong pi kan
kani ka celebration jungi ngi sedang ni play house na bladat pengi tepen ko dah ka arpau tariku Desember jong mentau snap ti kalat kalentim nilai nak posh ka pon nilai shong meeting lang kani ka jing ka teng celebration ka bangi le manta kam dai tang na ka school kadai lang side by side batki alumni jong school ta kadaw various program kum bigla tho ni ini degi program ka bana manta ka celebration nakal yang juga alumni nakal yang juga school pat ngidang sudap akini ki benai bagi ni ka tiup ladap kum ka speech competition debate competition quiz competition kumto ki kumda ki inter school football tournament lasya ingin sadon saga inter school basketball tournament kumta kini kita ibangi conduct program ban celebrate ya kan ke golden jubilee jong school ti kibuni ki kam ki bakham kya hi ye ha ban pe kini ke alumni namar ba ngasung thu nakaliang junga ngapa ini ke alumni jong school kila long ki priu ki bela kila nang ha ke we ha parapor ki liang ngidon ki doctor ki engineer ki kum kini ki badai naga field kum ka simi kum thang badai naga mass media nang ta kibuni ki priu ki ba ki bela nak pas ni ke school kila jeng lagi jong ke kijat haki rensan beper haka lada dai hang ni ha is Jaiñtia lada dai ha west Jaiñtia par ha Shillong kumjuh kum ki businessman babon kum ni wei ni gani udai atrai ki don ki bro ki thu yo phoning udai wei ni ki pas ko ji ba long active ha ba tray Shillong don ki pan ki ba ha kum to bat kum Dimitrius nongthoh udai wei na school jingi pas kat kendai spa prop kendai gidon ro hai ki doctor ki engineer rei gidon ki pas people jingi ki Lyngdoh ki reunion ki sister when gidon ki pastor kumana kani gidon ka kawai ka program ka bangi yale inter school program ni ka bang khat ya doctor first thing rembai ide wei nai pas people jingi ma im ya men ban join yang program nomor adien live ho da san snap wan biang sa school rei komite ka school ka ba pule mi chuan rei ka dei kla da moi nomor ba kaliang jungi ki management ro na course ko ban upgrade ban update ya condition ka school ko ban provide yaki facilities na dong sedong kat bangila ke school tak kadang dia try sistem kamtam menta bangila yo ini di alumni belum aktif belum knowledgeable kan kampai dia tak kadang ya kan ka celebration juga jubilee ka bangi sang pun hau akotri ku dison baru ka kam ke jungi ka man sale kan siong baik 50-50 lane 50 lagi ki management juga school but 50 lagi alumni